Hello, dear students. Welcome to Concepts Unwrapped. In today's class, we'll understand a very important topic in economics, the central problems of an economy. Let's break it down in a simple way, with examples.
Let's unlock this concept step by step. Every country has limited resources like land, water, labour and money. But people have unlimited wants: food, clothes, houses, cars, mobile phones and more. Because of this, every economy must make choices. These choices lead to three central problems that every economy must solve. Have you ever wanted to buy the latest phone, eat out, go on a vacation, and still save money all at the same time? We all have unlimited wants, but our money, just like a country's resources, is limited. This is where the problem of choice begins. Every economy, big or small, faces the same challenge. How do we use our limited resources to satisfy the most important needs? Let's explore this through three simple questions. The first problem is, what to produce and how much? For example, should a country use its land to grow more wheat or more cotton? Should it produce more medicines or more mobile phones? If a government chooses to make more hospitals, it may have to make fewer shopping malls, so the economy has to decide which goods and services are most needed by its people. The second problem is how to produce the goods. For example, to produce sugar, should we use more workers in the sugar factory or use machines and reduce labour? In farming, should we use tractors and modern tools or stick to traditional methods with bullocks? Choosing the right method is important because the economy wants to save costs and increase production using the best possible technology. The third problem is, for whom are the goods produced? This is about distribution. Who should get how much of the goods and services? Should everyone get an equal share, or should it depend on income and ability to pay? This is the final question: for whom to produce? For example, should a luxury car be available only for the rich, or should the government provide affordable transport for everyone? If a school is built, should it serve only rich families, or be open to children from poor backgrounds as well? The economy must decide how to distribute goods fairly among different sections of society. Let's quickly revise the three central problems. What to produce? Should we make food or luxury items? How to produce? Use machines or more workers? For whom to produce? Should everyone benefit or only the rich? Every economy in the world, whether it's India, the USA, or a small island, must face and answer these basic questions. Next time you decide between pizza or biryani, walking or taking a cab, remember, you're solving economic problems too. Thanks for watching Concepts Unwrapped. Keep learning, stay curious, and see economics in everyday life. If this video helped you understand the topic better, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay connected for more such easy explanations in economics.